Hello students, let's welcome back to another important course on SAP SD. So this is one of the key important course. Why I have made it a separate course because it has that extensiveness and value. You are working as a SAP SD consultant. That course name is SAP SD pricing. Pricing consultants has a value like SD. Why it is still demanded? Because someone who can able to work specifically certainly at a client place, or if they try to take you as a separate pricing consultant, and certain times they will take you as an end user also in big industries. See, the salary differs, the work which you are going to take up. Pricing is the one of the challenging function. I don't say that this is one of the key function apart from other sub modules, which is other subtopics or modules which is available on SAP SD sales and distribution. Why pricing has more importance? It's the key dynamic function to run the total business. If you don't have money, you cannot able to run the business. If you manufactured a product or if you purchase a product, if you don't know how to set a price, so it's a key dynamic function which actually decides how you are going to run your business, okay, and a broader perspective. So if you see SAP SD complete pricing, this is the course actually I have explained about it. Okay, so here if you can see the contents what I am going to give for this course, you can able to become like some kind of uh, expert knowledge at the time of handling pricing on your own if you join in real time. So if you can see this is, see, if you look at the rating, this is highly rated course. One of the uh, thing, like if you look at around 80 students are available. Okay, so this is 4.6. For this, I will provide the link below this course. I mean below this video, so you can add to the cart. See the price, it is 87% off. Certain times the price varies 455 to like around 800 or 900. Sometimes it is 360, like if you go for Black Friday and deals. Like you cannot wait for a deal like for your career, right? Like for 50 rupees and 60 rupees. So you can take up this course. This is one of the second important course. Like if you go back, okay, so first course is SAP sales and distribution in simple English. You just pick up. If you don't have any background, like what is SAP, what is ERP, you don't have any understandability. For that also I have developed one basic course. So like if you are coming from education background, certain education background which actually don't have, otherwise you can able to search in Udemy also. For this also I can make a course. This is SAP footsteps into simplified for absolute beginners. So very basic level, if you want it, you can go for this course. This is more than 11 hours. Okay, still if you are not yet introduced to SAP SD or any ERP module, like if you have some background, then you go for first course. This is SAP sales and distribution in simple English. So if you'd like to get specifically, if you have some doubts, like every instructor is not fruitful to give the total content, right? Certain topics they will go just a quick. So but if you would like to go if you'd like to learn and you can able to see that extensiveness, you just go for this course. So then it will be helpful to you. Okay, so this is all about SAP pricing. So let me try to show the contents what are all available in this in the curriculum level. I will show you now. So if you look at the curriculum, basic introduction will be there. So it's about 30 minutes. So like if you have condition technique, which is explained about 37 minutes. This introduction and this condition technique is very key to important and keen to understand other concepts as well as in SAP SD, which has a dependency. That's why pricing has very keen to learn at the time of giving lectures. You can see, so around pricing 1 to, you can see pricing 12, okay, which are all extensively explained. And apart from that, free goods, which has a dependency on free goods pricing, you can see it is around 7 hours 47 minutes. Like in future it will be updated if something, if I would like to add, but I would like to do another important course for SAP SD pricing advanced. So that is going to touch a lot of key points which actually I have seen in my experience at standard level. So you can learn this course, you can be confident enough to get go on SAP pricing in your real time handling. Okay, so many people have some doubts, like certain times pricing or whatever the topic if they are going to take. Okay, so they can, I'll just copy this referral link. You can, by using this link you can able to join the course. So like I have an option, like I can able to generate 3 coupons in a month. Okay, so if price is high, like a certain days, 10 days or 15 days, like 3000, 4000, this course, actually I can able to set the price which normally they are giving for 455 rupees or 490 rupees. So that coupon I can able to give you. So if you would like to this join this course, you just comment uh, below on YouTube, so that I can give the coupon. Or else if you comment your mobile number, I will call you, so that I can WhatsApp the coupon code. So if you would like to do the direct learning, that also it's always welcome. So you just comment, so that we can able to get communicate. So based on that, for direct learning, it's actually takes more than 3 months. So you should have patience if you'd like to learn. Like when I was learning, I took three to 4 months for course. Okay, and after that I have done 6 months practice. Within a year I got a job. My starting pay will be like around in between 45 to 50K. Okay, in one MNC. If you wanted to learn, you should have patience. You should have to take a time for a year. After that you will have enjoyment. No one is asking you to read throughout a year, throughout a years of your life. If you wanted to form a life, you just should be little serious enough to get the things on. Like someone cannot able to afford her course, so they can able to take up these courses and they can listen. Or else before joining any institutional course, it's like a brush up. If you need not waste your time like this. Like once you went a course, again people are joining parallel batches. That is not right way to do. Like you go for this course and you listen, and after that directly you go course, then you can able to grasp the things quickly. Okay, this is all about, it's all up to you. This is my suggestion based on my experience. So if you'd like to pick this course, I'm just providing the referral link after, in a YouTube description section. You can click that link and you can go ahead. Generally deals varies in Udemy from Monday to Friday. So Monday to Friday, somewhere any deal available, if you see the price, if it is less, you click the link and join the course. That's it. I'll just make one video on that, how to join the course, that also you can learn. Okay, thank you, thanks for joining the session. Have a great day. I wish you all the best for your careers.